how to get CNFANS discount promo codes in 2025. So I'm going to show you some of the ways how you can get the promo codes for CNFANS. Let's get started. So firstly, always you can check it from their official website. So if you go to cnfans.com here, so some they usually, like, for occasionally or seasonally they will run like promos, discounts and all those things, so which you can, like, when you get to the official web page or official website like cnfans.com, here if you scroll you will see like whatever that's on discount, like sale, for example, like special sale, things out on discount will be always here, and this will be updated frequently because it's the official site. So this is like one of the was one way of getting it, so through their official website here. So apart from on their website, you can also follow them on their social media pages like Instagram or Facebook. So you can follow on Instagrams, Facebook, Twitter, where they do shout outs, promotions and all those things. So you can make use of those things if you follow them on social media. And apart from that, what you can do, you can also try look for this website here. So like if you look for like Jetship, type in Jetship. So in Jetship you'll be able to find some coupon codes as well. So if you go to the just type in Jetship and then go to the official website here like Jetship, and then look for CNFANS discounts and coupons in Jetship. So go to the official website and then search for CNFANS. So when you search for when you search here for CNFANS here you will see some CNFANS discounts and coupons here. So if you scroll down you'll be able to use some of these coupons here. Okay, there you have welcome bonus and you have some instant shipping coupons as well. So this will be updated regularly, so you can see come and refresh this page frequently to get the latest coupon codes here that you can use. So these are the ways how you can get the promo codes. Hope the video was helpful. I will see you in a new video. Thank you.